Oh boy, I got another toy, another product review from Cleveland Professional Supply Company. Yeah, this is a new night vision style high definition camcorder. Do an open box and review and test of this camera. And yeah, right off the bat, you got your user manual and your accessory bag that's probably got all the accessories. Also in this pouch is an extra lens, which I think is available only for a limited time. But yeah, it's got an extra lens for this camera. Yeah, just twist it on, and there's the other side. So yeah, digital high definition 45x super wide angle lens. Yeah, the macro lens, that's what it's called. Yeah, this is available again for a limited time only, I think, because this is normally not included in the package deal. So nice. And yeah, we'll get to the accessory bag. Oops, things are coming out. Well, there we go. Put it like that. Alright, so you got your USB cable. You can actually, or no, it's the HDMI cable. Yeah, so you can watch directly from the camera to your high definition TV. So that's nice. You got your strap in here as well for the little carry pack, which is big enough to hold the camera, but not much more. This is a small carrying case. I'd probably recommend a bigger one. Remote control comes with it, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, an option that often, at least I haven't. And then of course your cover to protect your lens on your camera. So, and this is the HDMI cable, which you can hook up to your computer through the camera itself directly, and then your charger. It's got the external charger with the plug, the folding plug. But there's only one battery that's included, which is in the camera. So right off the bat, I'd recommend getting a second, maybe even a third battery just to have on hand if you're doing a lot of video. And SD card is not included as well. This will hold up to a 64 gig SD card. And there's the camera. This is, yeah, high definition. I'll take this label off here. Yeah, 24 megapixel HD, and yep, touch panel, and let's see, yeah, 18 times zoom, so it's got a pretty good zoom on it. But yeah, this is the normal lens, and then that other wide angle lens you can add on. In fact, I might go ahead and try to do that now. And let's see. Yeah, there it is. Nice. So there it is. Wide angle lens already attached. That is cool. I like that. Yep, macro. This is the, so you got your standard lens, and then you've got the macro version for I guess maybe, yeah, for wide angle macro with macro Japan optics. Okay, nice. All right, I'll put that there. I'll go ahead and put this cover back on just for now. Now we'll get to the gist of the camera. As soon as you open it up, it powers on. High definition. Yeah, there's... So that's pretty cool. It's got Wi-Fi option on it as well. SD card, like I said, that I put in here is actually, let's see, here's the battery pack. It's got one lithium-ion battery in the back. I already charged it actually, so I could test this. And then the SD card, I gotta remember where, yeah, right here on the side for the SD. Just flip that down and there's your card. Of course, it's using a 32 gig micro SD inside the SD sleeve. So, yep. And again, the camera, full high definition. In fact, yeah, I'll probably test it with the regular lens like it is now, and then with the macro lens I'll put on. So, yeah, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Got a tripod mount, which I like, so yeah, that'll be good for, you know, for if you're doing videos somewhere out in the open, especially if you're into paranormal stuff. This camera apparently is well recommended on Amazon, so yeah, reviews apparently are pretty good on it. But yeah, the full HD option and the night vision, that's another thing I like. Let me close this up here, but yeah, it's got a sensor here, and then there's the sensor there for the night vision. So yeah, it's even got on the back side, it's got a button for IR, infrared, so you can turn that on or off. Start and stop record. And then this is your camera, so if you want to take photos, this option, video, and you can set, you know, your time and date and all that here. So again, that's all self-explanatory. Here's your connections for the USB. There's the HDMI, and yep, that's two connections. I think one is HDMI. No, one's audio video out, the other one's DCN. Yep. So this is, yeah, if you wanted to charge the battery inside the camera, you've got that option there. So, but yeah, it's pretty neat little camera. So let's go test it outside. All right, zoom in on the roofers next door. These guys have been working on this house now for about 3 days, and it rained last night. Didn't even put any tar paper down. How about that? Real professional. We'll try it with the wide-angle lens now, see what it looks like. Alright, wide-angle lens is on. So yeah, it really just gives you a wider view, but that's pretty much the max zoom right there. Still isn't too bad. Yeah, look, you can tell it rained. Yeah, these yokels, as I like to call them, been working on this house for 3 days. They should have had tar paper down yesterday, but no. They figured they could just take their sweet time and then let the rain fall and water get inside the slats of the house, so we get into the roof and all that. That's smart. Anyway, onto the camera. So yeah, this is what it looks like again with the normal lens. My big giant oak trees. Yeah, so 18 times zoom is, I mean, in a way that's not bad, but you know, seen some other cameras, you know, it'll go much further in the zoom factor. Now let's try it with the wide angle lens. Okay, that's with the wide angle. Yeah, looks like you get a better image. And again, the zoom, which is, yeah, again, not bad. But if you want to get some tight shots of something far away, this probably isn't the best option. I can't really see them, but yeah. My plant's got some new sprouts. But yeah, I mean, overall, this is a very impressive camera. High definition and all that, so cool. And the house across the street's getting a roof too. How about that? It's roof time. Alright, so this is the camera on Amazon. This model number is B00CCUY SPY, SPY. And so yeah, if you're looking for the model number, yeah, 1080p HD infrared night vision and full spectrum camcorder for ghost hunting. So yep, supplied by the Cleveland Paranormal Supply Company, and it claims to be the world's only camcorder that switches to infrared or full spectrum mode with the push of a button. It's got all new firmware for July 2017, so very nice. Allows for IR mode without using onboard IR LED, or for double battery life while using an external infrared light. This camera is the only camera to feature this. Includes free high-definition Wi-Fi or wide-angle lens for a limited time. Yeah, that's what's on here right now, actually. Free high-definition wide-angle. Yep. 1080p HD Sony Exmor CMOS sensor and built-in Wi-Fi for remote viewing on Android or iPhone, which I don't have that option on my phone, so I can't test that. And of course it goes on to say, you know, don't accept copycats. This is the original. So, and out of the reviews, it's got a 4-star review. So let's see what's included. Yeah, product description. Professionally modified 1080p camcorder can be used as a regular camcorder and switch into IR full spectrum mode to enable visibility into the ultraviolet and infrared spectrums of light. This camcorder features a powerful set of features, including the EIS electronic image stabilization, 18 times zoom, ultra high quality stereo microphone, and built-in infrared LED. Our custom firmware enables an enhanced infrared and full spectrum mode with superior brightness and detail, but also lets you capture video and evidence from a greater distance away. So, and again, it goes on to say about it allows for IR mode without using onboard LED, the IR LED for double battery life. And the features: 1080p, 1920 by 1080, high definition video capture at 30 frames per second, built-in infrared light, again up to 5 feet distance, JPEG still pictures of up to 24 megapixel resolution, rechargeable battery included, ports, got an HDMI, SD card, and USB 2.0, a wide 3-inch touchscreen LCD, industry standard H.264 AVI format, tripod mount. Well, there is no tripod mount included in this one, but it does have the mount itself, the little screw threads. There is that option. Supports up to 64 gig SD card and 18 times digital zoom. Accessories included: USB cable, HDMI cable, IR remote, and rechargeable long life battery, wall charger, downloadable user manual, and padded camera case. And like I said, that camera case is small. I'd recommend something a little bit bigger, especially if you get some more batteries and carry the external charger around, or for basically all your supplies. Even though there is a built-in infrared light, an external infrared light or full spectrum light is always recommended. So yeah, basically it weighs only 3 pounds. Yeah, it's a pretty light camera. Okay, the item model number is ADV 1080p. But again, the Amazon number that they use is the B00CCUYSPY. But yeah, it also gives you the option for the full infrared, the full spectrum light on the Amazon site. So, and yeah, you can always get some extra batteries. It already comes with the external wall chargers, so you don't need to get one of those. And it gives you the other options that are out there, but based on the reviews. So, but yeah, this one is quite impressive. Here's the option compared to others, and again, this ghost hunting feature seems to be, again, I'm not into that option. I'm just simply looking for good night vision, and this one was recommended. So yeah, definitely I would look into maybe something of this feature. The video capture is, the 3 options are 480p, 720p, and 1080p. Optical zoom is a 10x versus the other options. Screen size is 3-inch. So, but yeah, overall this is a pretty good camera, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I would recommend it for sure. So we'll go ahead and test it for night vision, see how it does. Yeah, this is nice. Infrared. See how I look. Ooh, scary. Not bad. Finally, this is nice. We'll see what it looks like outside. Yeah, my bedroom here is completely dark. This infrared does a really good job. We'll step outside. I need to be within about a 5-foot radius. Very impressive. Very impressive indeed. nice.